The steps are so simple. All right, are we at the high of the week? Step one, let's do it together. Step one, are we at the high of the low of the week? Where are we? We are at the high of the week. Do we have a failed break? Okay, they piece through and then they give us an inside day. We don't have a failed break anywhere around here, because you can see the low is still intact. So this simply means we are still in an up one. What are we gonna do? Nothing. Okay, until when? Until a day we have a failed break. So you can see this day they piece through again. So what does this do? It does more damage, because there are people who sold here, so they come and take liquidity up. So that the first liquidity they took wasn't enough for them. Okay, I mean the one from the previous week over here, that was just not enough for them. They still needed to take out more. Okay, fine. What do they do next? They come, and now that's when they violate the law of the previous day. So what does this tell us? This tells us that this day itself is now a failed break. Why? Because they broke the low. Okay, that is step two. Are we at the high? Yes. Do we have a failed break? This day we didn't have a failed break, so there was nothing we were gonna do on this day, right? We had to wait until we have what? A failed break. That's why I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest things to hunt for. Are you at the high of the day? Yes or no? If yes, do you have a fake break? Did they break the low if you are at the high? Did they break the high if you are at the low? Yes or no? Okay, now they did. So what do we want? Step three, what do we want? We want them to push prices up. Okay, because I just drew for you. If it's a downtrend, what do you want? Say for example, okay, this move has gone down and the following day you need to buy again. What are you going to wait for? You want them to push prices all the way up, and then that's where you take it down. Okay, the first target is here. You can hold until the close. This is what we are now relying on. Why? Because that's what market structure tells us. Okay, so that is exactly what we are looking for now. Okay, we want them to push prices all the way back up, and then okay, let's look. For example, we can now go to a smaller time frame. It is all up to you. Let me show you something. Now we can go to a 15 minutes. Why? Because this is gold, and gold is literally explosive. Okay, so if you're gonna wait for an hourly time frame, you are not gonna be able to enter, because your stops is gonna be 100, 150, 200. So look at this. Same thing they gave us on the pound. They gave a pattern. What did they do? They broke out of a pattern, they pull back, and there goes your engulfment. Exactly what we say every single day. You need a pattern, a breakout of the pattern, and then a retest. Look, they gave you two dojis, and this, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the three candles I always speak about. They give you a big candle going up, they give you a doji. This time they extended them. There are two dojis, and they give you what? An engulfment. There goes your engulfment. To where? To the low of the previous day, and you can hold until the close. Okay, because if you look at gold, this is not really a climax candle, because gold has been violent lately. Okay, so you can see this is something so simple. 800 points to 1,000 points if you hold until the close. Okay, this day here you can't sell. Why? Because they didn't push prices up for a collapse. You can see they just went down. So this day becomes a little bit more risky, and besides today it's a holiday, so there was nothing to take. But honestly, this is the simplest thing to hunt for. Are they at the high of the week? Yes or no? Did they give you a failed break by breaking the low, okay, of the previous day? That's what they just did. Did they push prices up? Yes. Did they give you a pattern? Yes. Did they break out of it and retest? Yes. That's when they collapse. And by the way, I have all the strategies that I follow. Everything is rinse and repeatable, and it is in this book here. Everything I follow. Okay, this is a book I made for myself, but I decided to share it with everybody because I saw how everybody was really complaining and saying this thing is so hard. But it is not so hard. Why? Because look at this. If you are in the middle, do nothing. Okay, let it pass. If you analyze and you see, because I analyzed the day before, when I came here I realized, oh, am I at the high? Yes. Are they gonna break? They didn't break. Okay, fine. I came on this day because I didn't get an opportunity. Later in the evening when I'm analyzing, I want to see, okay, are we still at the high? Of course we are still at the high, and anything can still happen. Okay, unless they break. If they break and keep going up, then we are going up. Okay, but look, they now came and broke on this day. When I'm coming to analyze, prices are here. Did they violate the high? Yes. Did they break the low? Yes. There's no need to guess anything, okay, because you are coming to analyze when prices are here for the following day, and then you only come during the following day. This one happened in the London session and it collapsed heavily down. Okay, so let's look at, okay, likewise when we come to this one, the question remains the same. The question remains the same. Okay, are we at the high of? Yes, we are at the high. What did they do? Did they break the low? Of course they did. They broke the low. So this is a failed out. This is a failed out, and you can see this day they decided to go up. This was an opportunity because they never actually gave an opportunity where they push prices up. So there's nothing you can do. They break up, and eventually that's when they now break the low and now give a clear thing. Okay, so on this day what we are expecting never did really happen, but on the close, when you're analyzing, we can see for the following day now we have a clearer opportunity. That's when they just collapsed heavily down, and now this is still a failed break. What do we want to see the following day? We want to see them pushing them up for a downward move. I don't want to make this video long, but anyway, you can go to a smaller time frame and you'll see this opportunity. Okay, let's go to the next one. USD CHF, same thing. I'm gonna be rushing now. Are we at the low? Yes, we are at the low. Did we get a fail break? Yes, we got a fail break. Did they push down? Yes, but unfortunately now they break the low. So now we have to be super patient and wait, because what we are expecting for them is to pull back but not really break the low, unless sometimes they can just come and stop hunt again. But what did they do? This is the day they now moved aggressively. Okay, however, this is not a day that I usually want to take. Why? Because now this becomes a climax candle. What is a climax candle? Look at the daily average range. Look at the number of points they give you every single day. You realize that on this day they did ×2. Look, if they usually do 40, yes, this one does 40. Mostly it's gonna be 40 points. Most of the time you can see 40, 40, 40. But on this day, if you come on this day here, you can clearly see they did ×2, 100. This is ×2, the average daily range. Okay, so this becomes a climax candle. And by the way, if I took it again, there was no opportunity, but your target is already hit. Yes, they do pull back, but mostly you're not gonna get a follow through most of the time. So that's what I'm saying. This is a move that happens once in a while. You can't build on it, but the context is the same. Low, they are going to the other extreme. Okay, that's how simple it becomes. And then just to reconfirm, you can see now this one was in the middle, and it was in the middle. They never broke the high. So this one, there was nothing. Some days, yes, they're gonna go, but there's no need to regret this because we did not have context. Okay, we did not have context. So if we are in the middle, just let it be. Okay, and as I said, the indicator is in the description. You can download it for MT4 and MT5 there. But this is so simple. Every single day, same thing.